that fucking truck.
What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a rapid fire TNT on MCPE. Okay, I'm going to start it. Okay, as you can see, I made one here. So just wait, and I will put a TNT on here, in here, all of them, and I just pause it. I will back. Okay guys, I'm back. So here, I put them on the TNT here, all of them, and this is what I'm the microphone, and I will start it. I will put a scratch here like that. Just watch. And it's too laggy, and watch. As you can see, there are many shooting TNTs wherever they go. Now you see. And just do that, and yeah, so I go to show you how to make that. First, you need any block, a pressure plate, dispenser, redstone repeater, lever, redstone, water bucket, a new fence, which you like, and I like oak fence. So the last one is TNT. First you need to do is put dispenser there, and there, and put lenses there, and yeah, and put pressure plate there, block here, and I'm going to like that. Like that, and put a repeater here, repeater there, and that's what it looks like. Sorry. And like that, put redstone in here, put on block, lever. This is a little bit tricky because we're gonna on and turn off faster to make that blink. Repeat. Blink. Oh, I failed. And we're going to left, concentrate the focus on that. Cheese. Oh yes, like that. That's how it looks like. You can see. Oh, I almost forgot. I put dispensers there, and there, voila, and put water here and here. Hey, what happened? You're moving. Oh my god. And put, oh, I almost forgot. Just crouch and put redstone there. Don't put redstone on the top dispenser, as it will be failed if you put redstone there. And you need the TNT. We're gonna pull this up of TNT here. There's 6 of them, so 6 TNTs. I don't know what amount that I want, and I just paused it for a while. What's up? And I'm back, and you see I finished it. So all we need to do is to crouch and take a redstone, just put the redstone there, put and faster, put the redstone there. Yeah, I'm so loud. Okay, that's but the damage is still there. Please like and subscribe.